Ireland is home to 25 different species of cetaceans, which are whales, dolphins and porpoises. We aim to be the first to record these animals in real time and to train machine learning models how to identify different species calls.
Together we built this buoy, we designed it especially for the project. We've probably about 6 weeks work put into this. The whole lot can be ruined in 20 seconds here if we don't do it properly. If we rush this part of it, we might as well come back and start rebuilding it again.
We're continually scanning the water surface and we're looking for, splashes, maybe dolphins jumping. They pop up and they're gone so quickly, so they're tough to detect. There we go! Way! 50 meters, 90 degrees. We can only see so much when we monitor above the surface of the water, but with this acoustics project, we'll be able to listen in real time in times when the weather is bad, when we can't get out to sea. This provides us with an opportunity to learn about them even in winter time. So this project really is unlocking a whole new world of wildlife monitoring, and ultimately it will be able to contribute to the conservation of these animals. They rely heavily on sound for their survival. That involves communication, navigation, hunting prey, avoiding predators and finding their mates. So we really need to understand the impact of noise pollution on these animals.
Gathering audio data anywhere in the world has always been thought of as a difficult task. It's one thing to put up a recorder in a forest, another thing to put it up in a desert. It's a whole other thing to put it up underwater. We want to make the whole transition from gathering that to knowing what you're listening to analyzing it, both in real time and years back. We want to make that easy for people because it's only then that they can ask the difficult questions and they can answer them themselves.
We've determined that this particular area has the best chance of actually recording cetaceans, but particularly baleen whales, the larger whales, in real time. This project wouldn't be possible without the partnership with Huawei and Rainforest Connection. We're so grateful that they chose Ireland as a test case for this technology.
We'll prepare it on the boat, last preparations, last shackles, weld them all up, and then slowly lift everything off in stage. Everything will be done incrementally and slowly and under control and safely.
Traditionally, methods used would involve deploying a hydrophone and recovering it 6 months later and then having all that data to process. But now we can stream the data directly to Huawei's cloud, which is amazing. We can analyse it automatically and we can get results that can have a huge impact on the conservation of these animals. It's amazing, it's a dream come true.